Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this aggressive shake edit with Capcut, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video.
Ashley, look at me.
Open Capcut and create a new project with your video clips. So this is a video clip we are going to use. Add a keyframe at the start and at the end. Zoom out the start keyframe. Select graphs and add ease out 2 in between the keyframes. Go to Video Effects. Under Nice Globe, select Cross Blow. Duplicate and place the effect on each video. Add fading animation to the video clips at 0.3 seconds. Next, overlay a white background. Fit it to screen. Select Splice and leave it as normal. Then reduce the value to 10. Reduce the length to 0.3 seconds. Add fade out animation. Leave the duration at the maximum. Duplicate the white overlay and place it at the start of each video clip. Now export the video. So here's the final result.
Ashley, look at me.
Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.